What's up guys, and yeah, right now you are looking at the Huawei P30 Pro, the next beast from Huawei. And yes, I'm just as surprised as you are right now, but Digital Trends claims to have had personal time with the upcoming Huawei P30 Pro flagship. Well, sort of it. So the quick hands-on review begins with a small disclaimer. This phone is actually a dummy model, not the actual phone and not the actual product. The screen doesn't work, and thus the guys over at Digital Trends weren't allowed to take photos of the front side, so we only have the back side pictures of the Huawei P30 Pro. Also, the color isn't final and may change upon release, but the staff reassured that the overall design is almost final. So yeah, this is the 100% final design of the Huawei P30 Pro. So first of all, if you are wondering what those brandings means, Woj stands for the code name Huawei uses, and the link will be replaced by Leica. Speaking of Leica, the live photos strongly contradicted what we've seen and heard so far. So instead of 4 cameras, we see 3 cameras on the back. Yeah guys, the next beast from Huawei will feature 3 cameras on the back side. You may say that this is probably the standard variant, but the Huawei representative confirmed that this is indeed the Pro model. The author of the piece had a really good point here. If we go by previous rumors suggesting that there will be a new member of the P lineup, perhaps we were hearing about the 5G capable model all along. Yeah guys, just like the Samsung Galaxy S10 series, the new P30 family will have a 4th device with even bigger specs than the Pro model and will be a 5G variant device. So in terms of design, they said it's much closer to the Huawei Mate 20 Pro when in the hand, but keeps the general P20 Pro aesthetics. As far as the specs go, they said we are left in the dark. The representative did not discuss specs with us, so we would probably have to wait for the end of March release. So yeah guys, this is the Huawei P30 Pro. What's your thoughts on this? Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. And that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.